Hi, I'm Dr. Bhavya. I finished my Mch Plastic Surgery from a government hospital in Hyderabad. So I didn't have much exposure towards cosmetic training. So I was searching for fellowships who provide cosmetic training. This was recommended to me by Dr. Jagdish, who already finished his fellowship under Dr. Karthik Ram sir. And I met Dr. Karthik Ram sir and immediately set a duration where I can come and stay at Chennai Plastic Surgery. I previously also attended few of the cosmetic training courses, and how this is different from those courses is that sir allows us into OPD and we get to see how to talk to patients and how to approach patients' concerns and which patient to operate, which patient not to operate, where to go for non-surgical management, where to go for surgical management, and some of the patients who have BDD, where we shouldn't take up the patient and how much of their expectations can we provide, what are the complications, and just how to talk to patient. So in that way, this is more helpful. And coming to surgeries, I saw a wide variety of cases such as blepharoplasty, rhinoplasty, otoplasty, breast reduction, breast implant, and liposuction, abdominoplasty, and hair transplantation. Coming to non-surgical aspects such as fillers and Botox, he does it daily on OP basis. So we saw a wide variety of non-surgical techniques also. And post-operative follow-up, and if any complications, how to deal with complications, when to intervene and when to wait. These are the things we learned. And apart from these, the three major points which I've learned under Dr. Karthik sir is the first thing is how to talk to patient, communication, and how to make them feel safe so that they will express their concerns more freely, and how to just provide a friendly environment where they don't feel scared about the surgery. And the second thing is extensive documentation, both pre-op photographs and post-op photographs. And the third thing is he helps you in setting up a cosmetic center, and he also guides you how to do digital marketing, how to market yourself. So these are the major things which I've learned. Okay, I also want to add a short note on staff and nurses who are very helpful. They've been trained for years, so they also have extensive knowledge about all the surgeries and how to follow up and when to call the patient. So they are also very helpful whenever we had any doubts. I highly recommend anyone who is looking for a cosmetic surgery fellowship to definitely consider Chennai Plastic Surgery. And I thank Dr. Karthik sir for giving me this opportunity, and I hope this video finds you useful.